said, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Today, God made everything perfect.
The phone rang, caught me off guard, and I know this feeling. No, I'm dreaming. Heads, tails.
Dumating ka sa tamang panahon at pagkakataon. Bunga ka ng aking panalangin sa Diyos na ibigay ang tamang tao para sa akin.
This is that right place and that right time, standing on the front lines.
Ay, malalim na dahilan ang pagsasamang ito, ang kanilang pag-iibigan. Dahil sa tunay na pag-iibigan, ang mag-asawa ay hindi na dalawa sa bilang, kundi isa.
Love is not a feeling, it's a commitment. Sa totoong buhay, hindi naman palaging masaya ang isang relasyon. Tadaan at tadaan tayo sa maraming problema, maraming pagsubok. Kaya andito ako, magtutulungan tayong dalawa.
Bells now ringing, I know this feeling. A sea of change, I will admit, something I couldn't soon forget. But
Pagiging isa na mag-asawa ay pagpupuno sa kakulangan ng isa't isa. Hindi makatwiran na maliitin ang asawa sapagkat ang kakulangan niya ay siya ang magpupuno.
in that right time, standing on the front lines. This is our fire, still burning. Every ember burning.
You're the man I prayed for, and now, you're the man I'm praying with. Truly, God knows what's best, and He gave me you.
Here we are, we found the day, like we'd always prayed. What I see the future bring to you and me one day.
Kami ni Isko, high school, schoolmates kami noon. Way back 2006, first year high school. Palagi kami nagkikita sa church. Pero hindi pa kami ganun ka-close. Parang strangers lang kami.
Our Father spoken, and this life we've chosen will help us follow your plan. And I can't profess that I understand it.
After ilang years, 2022, ulit nag-cross yung path namin.
Chinap niya ako, nag-high lang. Tapos nag-high din ako.
2021, nung start siya manligaw,
Mabilis lang din yung pangyayari. Magkaibigan agad. Tuloy na sa kasalan.
Heaven gave you love to complement my love, so one day we will love the way that God intended.
Ang katatagan sa buhay ng pamilya ay hindi makakamit dahil lamang sa ating kagustuhan at pagsisikap. Ito'y makakamit lamang sa tulong ng biyaya ng Diyos.
What we've seen, all that we've learned, built up to this day.
God has written our love story long before I met you. Kaya, heto, tayo, sa katuparan ng plano ng Diyos para sa atin, sa harap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, nangangako ng magmamahalang panghabang buhay.
And I can't profess that I understand it, but I see.
Marriage is not just a human contract. Marriage is not just a human endeavor, but it is a covenant between a man and a woman with God.
Today, God made everything perfect. Ikaw ang sagot ni God sa aking panalangin. Truly, God knows best and give the best. Isa, mabait, mapagmahal, poging asawa ko. Mamahalin kita talagaan ngayon. Magpakam habang buhay. I love you so much.
Waves share no secrets. Tomorrow's still unknown. So I leave behind all thoughts unkind.
Today, I promise to honor, love, and cherish you through all our life's adventure. I will commit my life to you all my days and all my tomorrows.
Beyond horizons, staring at the sun.
The promise to and commitment to love in the context of marriage, it is not just between you, Francisco, and Princess Dia, but with God.
Ascending, forever is yours and mine.
Asawa ko, simula sa araw na ito, mamahalin kita, aalagaan, ikaw lang ang pinakamaganda at sexy sa akin. I love you forever. Love, Francisco.
Side by side, this rising tide has inspired the soul to speak. Then as she falls across the night,
Alam ko, ang susunod na chapter ng buhay natin ay hindi madali. Maraming challenges ang darating, pero handa na ako, mas mahalin ka pa, unawain ka pa, at alagaan ka pa.
we are unbroken, unspoken.
Always look your ring. Yan ang susumpaan mo. Yan yung commitment ninyo. Yan ang pakikita namin dito sa kasal ninyo. Kasama ninyo ang Diyos.
Unspoken, promises made divine.
Sa totoo lang, nakakatakot magmahal. Kasi ang pag-ibig, di ka sigurado. Pero nung nakilala kita, na-realize ko na mas nakakatakot pag pinili mong hindi magmahal. Kasi sa totoo lang, di ko naman kailangan maging sigurado. Basta andyan ka, okay na ako. I love you.
Forever is yours and mine.
Siguro, darating ang time na mapapagod tayo, pero hindi susuko. At babalikan ang araw na ito ng ating buhay na ikaw at ako ay nanumpa sa harap ng Diyos. I love you, Isko.